Hi, I'm Lesley Logan. Let's talk grasshopper here on your ladder bro.
Welcome to OnlinePilatesClasses.com, the most supportive Pilates-loving community across the globe. Enjoy new weekly classes from our amazing teachers. Download the OnlinePilatesClasses.com app today.
So grasshopper here is actually quite pleasant and a little scary sometimes, but it lets you have a bigger expression. It's slightly different than your reformer one or your spine corrector one, because the arms don't really move that much. Where on the spine corrector and the reformer, they kind of straighten and bend. Here, they kind of stay-ish where they are. Now, there's a couple questions about placement. On the onlinepilatesclasses.com flashcards for the barrels deck, I actually said that the arms are either on the third or fourth rung. I know there'll be people who are asking why not on the frame. I've seen it on the frame. I'm really tall. It needs to go on the frame. That is called scorpion. It's a very different exercise, wasn't a Joe exercise, and it doesn't have that back bend that we're looking for. So totally fine if you want to do scorpion, but if you want to do grasshopper, this is where your hands go. So you come onto your barrel, you place your hands either on the third or fourth rung, and you kind of find a position where your chest is pulling towards your ladder. And then you're going to reach those legs long. You're going to lift them up, pull them towards your head, lift them to the sky, and then beat, 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 and drape, 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 drape. Okay, so here we go. We got to pull our chest towards the ladder, reach our legs from our center, lift them up, bend. I like to think I'm bending at my femurs, lift them to the sky, and then beat, 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 beat. Stretch your lower back here by reaching your legs to the floor. Okay, one more time. So we pull the chest, reach the legs, bend, lift, and beat, 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 beat. And here you're stretching, stretching, stretching. From there, if you want to go into jumping stomach or jumping handstand, you can do that, or you don't have to do that, but it's a really fun place to kind of practice that. And when I say bend the femur, I just say that so you make it a hamstring curl and not just a knee bend. It's really easy to go into choreography here. If you have questions about this exercise, feel free to put it in the comments below. We go live on Sundays at 9 a.m. Pacific time answering your questions. But if you're an OPC member, we'll answer your questions in our members-only community, as well as give you feedback on your form. Go to onlinepilatesclasses.com/YouTube.